Today we're here with.
Marinel Perez. Yeah.
Okay, so how does it feel to say that you're graduating with Latin honors po?
It is unexpected now. Since I studied college, I don't any have idea to be a summa cum laude at first. It is a bonus for me because I just want to graduate. But having a Latin honor and then being a summa cum laude with a leadership award, it's very fulfilling, no? It's a surreal, hindi ko inakala. But here I'm now.
Ayun.
Yeah.
So, graduating as summa cum laude and with leadership award po, is it your biggest plot twist or is there something else po?
Okay, the biggest plot twist when I won top 15 in national competition, which I competed Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao students. No, that's a 2 months competition, and then I bring pride and identity to our school, which is Manila Business College. That is for me the biggest plot twist during my ACADS days.
Oh, so it's such a privilege talking to you po, Miss Mel. Ano?
Yeah.
So, syempre, as a student leader, as a academic achiever, how do you juggle your personal life with your academic life?
Okay, so I'm not a scholar. I am from weekend class. You know what? I really do believe that being a working student or being a student and an employee, we have a big role in the society. Balancing between being a student and employee, it's very hard and very tough. You know what? If other students, they just get allowances their parents us, we're going to work for it to get to pay our tuition fee. So I manage of having this or manage my time being a student. It's just I stay with my goal. I'm a goal-driven person. Whatever it takes, I just make it sure that all things will come into positive.
Okay, so before we end on Miss Mel, I want you to complete this sentence.
Okay.
Being ambition means.
Being ambition means a fulfillment. So because this is my dream. So yeah, it's a very fulfillment for me. Manila Business College shapes me into a confident individual. So IMBC allows me to grow. And yeah, I carry the pride of being ambition, sorry.
Do you have any message for our school and to our fellow ambitions or students po? Ma'am?
Okay. You know what? There is only one principle in my life. Always do things with your heart and always be happy because positive comes well follows. That's the only thing that they're going to put in their mind and their heart. Even though you are competing, just happy you are doing. Kasi hindi ka talo dun eh. Prizes, recommendation, acknowledgement are just a bonuses.
Thank you so much po,
Thank
Miss
you.
Mel.